shit. So, my internet is not working because there's a blizzard out right now. Camaro's covered. Internet's not working. Blizzard out right now. And so I decided, look how deep my tire tracks were just going through this. That's well over a foot of snow. And I can't see shit. I don't know if you can see shit. And we are going to drive around in a blizzard. And this is not wise. First blizzard of Minnesota this year. Where's the fucking road? I can't even see the fucking road, man. This is not a good idea. Can you see this? Like, oh my, okay. This is the end of the tree line. I absolutely cannot see. I absolutely am not driving that through. I cannot see. I don't even know where the road is. I apologize for the truck. It's dirty. I've been using it to haul wood lately, and that's pretty much it, because it costs more to drive a truck. But look at this, guys. You cannot see. I was gonna go drive, and I absolutely cannot see. So let's back this baby up. Hopefully we stay on the road. It's absolutely impossible to drive right now. So as you can see, blizzard conditions. The only reason it looks a little bit clear right here is because of this tree line. Right there, white. You can't see nothing. It is completely a blizzard outside. The winds here are so strong right now. They're like, I can't remember what they said, 40 miles an hour? 45 miles an hour? And it's consistent. It's not gusts. It's just consistently that much. Oh, that's reverse. We won't go forward. But we definitely can't drive in this. You cannot see anything. Ouch. You probably can't hear that, but it's ridiculous. See, those trees, they're moving pretty good right here, but you gotta remember these woods goes way back. So you can't really, these are pretty protected. They're blocked by the wind, otherwise this would be all windy too, but the tree lines are blocking it all. But like over there, you can see it. You can't even see anything. It's just white because that's all the snow blowing from the ground and everything. It's absolutely awful. I hate snow. Twisted does not like winter very much. So yeah, here's your first 30-second look. Oop. Fucker. We'll get up there. Of the blizzard. This is the blizzard. Awesome. Not so much awesome. Minnesota weather. No. Stay the fucking California. Don't move here. It's awful.